people in Myanmar tend to be very modest, definitely more modest than they need to be. They should be asserting themselves much more to the foreigners. This place can only be successful based on the hard work and the intelligent work of people of Myanmar. So the government should tell the donors, these are our priorities, this is what we want to achieve. Please come with the technology, your money, your knowledge, your human capital. Please come and help us. But we will set the rules of the game. And I think up to now, because of the isolation, the boycotts for so long, people have been happy to see everyone coming in, doing whatever they like. But in the long run, let the government set 2 or 3 clear priorities and tell the donors to behave. And if they don't behave, tell them to go somewhere else. Well, as there must be a dialogue between the government and the ceasefire group. I mean, government cannot just dictate the donors, for sure not. But it can assert itself, give clear guidance and clear priorities, and then on that basis have a dialogue with the donors as how we can jointly be successful. Because fortunately for Myanmar, all the major global powers want this place to prosper. They want peace here. United States want peace here. China want peace here. So do Japan, Europe, India, everyone else. So Myanmar can get support from everyone and work well with all global powers and players. One of the greatest development success stories of Africa is for sure Ethiopia. They have been reducing child mortality by 2/3 in one generation, basically unprecedented, and they brought millions of children into school. For sure still a poor place, but fantastically successful. One reason for that is the leadership. The leader, Meles Zenawi, who started as a rebel in a really ragtag army somewhere in the northern part of Ethiopia with crazy ideas, but when he came into power, turned himself into one of the greatest statesmen on the continent. When he approached the donors, he said, please come with the capital, the knowledge, all you can offer. We need you because without you we cannot develop this poor place. But we have set the rules of the game. We have a development strategy for Ethiopia. This is what we want to achieve, and please align with that. If you cannot align with our strategy, well, please go somewhere else. There are so many other places you can spend your money.